Hi, what's up, Shiba Inu coin holder? What's going on? This time, my friend, Shiba Inu condition is very good now. Otherwise, my friend, all crypto market is very badly fell down. So therefore, I will notify you, Shiba Inu coin holder. You don't starting selling. Just and only you will need to hold now. Otherwise, they cannot give you a profit and you will very badly lost now. So my brother, in this time the Shiba Inu price 0.3073 USD percent, my friend, is increased now, and the price is 507 USD dollar. And definitely you can see here the current price is also same. So that's mean to the price is increasing. Definitely when a price will increasing, so the holder are starting investing more and more, and when a price will comes down, so the holder are starting selling. So I will notify you, my friends, to please be confidently just and only go now, invest now. I hope the price will be pumps up, they cannot fail down, and they will give you, my friends, one day 0.1 USD dollar. But how, my friends? When? Experts says so this is impossible, my friends. So they will hit this target in this year, but my friend, in next year this is possible. So therefore I will also notify you, my friends, to have someone tell you, my friends, so they will get a 1% profit, 0.1 USD dollar, they will get a 0.5 USD dollar. So I think this is just fake now, and I hope, my friend, in the next year they will hit now easily. So therefore I will notify you to please be confidently invest now and invest for a long time. I am 100% sure Shiba Inu will give you a profit. So thanks for watching. Please holders, like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.